Today, I'm going to be transforming my slime into an amazing slime. So right now, this is what slime I have. That is good poking, and I'm going to be transforming my slime into even better slime by adding different ingredients. So let me get you guys all the way right here. Okay, so I'm going to play with my slime and show you what I have now. So that's what I have now. So first, I'm either gonna add water or some more Stay Flow. So the way I'm gonna be doing this is I'm gonna do this. So I'm gonna go from the cap, do this. Well, actually, I'm going to use this to mix it up, like this, kind of, and I don't know which one is where. And I'm going to kind of like touch it or something like that. Like do like that, try to do like that to it. And then whatever one it is, that's the one I'm going to be putting in here. So, ready? I'm going to actually use this for the bottle. Ready? Yeah, go. I'm pointing at this one. So I think I'm gonna do this one, and so it looks like I'm doing this one. So let me, oopsies, there's a little bit of water there. Let me clean it up with this. I think the water bottle might have tipped over a little bit. Okay. So I'm gonna add like, maybe like a spoon, maybe a spoon or a cup. I think I'm gonna do a cup. So I'm gonna add this to it. I was kind of voting for water, but I got Stay Flow. So yeah. Okay, I'm trying to mix it in here. I'm adding a little bit at a time. This is gonna turn it into a non-sticky slime. The water would kind of make it a little bit jiggly. So I am adding Stay Flow. I was kind of going for water. I wanted my slime to be a little bit jigglier, but it's fine because like it's not going to be sticky, and this is the challenge. So I'm almost done mixing it all, and now you can see it's not that sticky. Okay, it's not sticky anymore. Now I'm going to do color. Now it's kind of just like a plain old, not the best, not the funnest color. Oh, yeah. Yeah. So now I'm gonna get the color. Let me see. Okay, let me look for some color here. Okay. So I have these colors. Okay, I'm gonna do this. Okay, I don't really know where it is. I'm just gonna go for this one. Okay, guys, I'm pointing at this one right here. I was not hoping to get this one. I don't want to get this one, but I have to, unfortunately. I don't want my slime to be colored this color, but has to be. I kind of actually like the color, though, because, like, it's like a pinkish, dark pink, but I was really hoping for the purple. So here's my slime so far. You could see it's, now I'm gonna mix it in. Whoa, guys, this is turning into a really different slime now, guys. Like, the color literally changes, like, everything. It's a pink, now a light pink. I'm still mixing it because there's some colors that's not quite mixed in all the way. I think I'm going to try to get a little more, but there's kind of like no more left. I added all the paint in this container right here. I'm adding the pink in. It kind of looks like I put this light pink in, but I didn't. You guys can see right now I'm taking it from here and putting it on here. So yeah, I'm mixing it. Hope it turns into like I wanted it to turn into a purple, but I don't think it's gonna be turning into a purple now. Okay, it's getting darker. I have a light pink. You guys can't really see the color, but in real life it's kind of like a little of a dark pink, but also at the same time a light pink. And here it just looks like a really light pink, but in real life it's kind of like a little way darker, like way darker. But on the camera it looks like this color, but no, it's actually a different color. So this is our product. I'm really liking it so far. So now I'm gonna do sparkles. Pink or red sparkles. So I'm gonna I think I'm gonna go with this one. Okay, I got red. I really wanted pink. There's barely any left, so I wouldn't get that much sparkles. But I got red. I didn't want red. This is turning into a Valentine's slime. Got a Valentine's slime, yay. But it's not even close to Valentine's yet, so I don't know why my brain chose to do a Valentine's slime. Adding the colors, mixing the colors. Okay. Okay, I'm mixing it. Doesn't look like it has that much sparkles yet because I didn't add that much. Adding my red sparkles. More red sparkles, as you can see. left on the bottom. A lot of it's on the bottom, see? I want some to be on the top. This is the top. This is the bottom. The bottom has a lot of sparkles. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit more. This is what it looks like. Okay, next thing is going to be, what should it be? Oh, I know what it's gonna be. Add this blue marker, or add this pinkish crayon. We're gonna do that. Yay, okay. I'm voting for the crayon at this point because the blue's not gonna match this. So I hope I get what I want for this slime finally. Okay, so for this one, I'm gonna have to do this. I'm voting for the one right here. That's literally closer to the blue. Now I have to add this. When am I gonna get what I want for this slime? I'm just gonna color on it. I'm gonna do love. Okay, now I'm gonna try to do Valentine. It's not working. Okay, as you can see, I put lots of dots. I tried to do love, Valentine, and then just do whatever. Didn't work out. Look at my slime now. It's barely even turning into anything with the blue marker. And if it doesn't really show up that much, I'm gonna add more. But I kind of don't want it to show up that much. Now my slime's getting bad. Well, not bad, but like, I don't like it that much now. I liked it like the plain old, you know. So this is my slime. We're gonna do one more thing. Let's see. One more thing. Let's make it a good one. Oh no. Okay. Yeah, I know what I'm doing. Chalk time. So we're either gonna add green chalk or blue chalk. I don't remember which one is where, so I'm just gonna go for the one on this side. Green! Oh, I was really not hoping for this green. My slime is bad. I don't like it now. My slime is so jiggly. So I didn't get anything that I wanted for this. Not happy about that. Adding some chalk. I'm gonna try to scrape some off. This is working a lot. Okay, I don't know why I'm doing so much chalk on here. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna mix this and then we're gonna have the final product. Okay, so this is what it looks like for the last product. Hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to hit the notifications bell, ding, and subscribe to all my videos. And peace out.